Today I'm going to be talking about Bakugan, and you're going to see a weird shape today. So if you try to get this, it's really hard. My mom had to get it for me. There's you can see this. It's a brown skirt Bakugan. Open them and you'll see. Or if you kids have them, this guy. Same with Gorum, except he's in square. I'll show the back of him. The back of him. It says Ventus. I'll show you up close. Ventus. And it says, it really means you can actually like beat Ventus, but this is actual this is actual mark on it. Look up closely, you'll see it better. Right, this is around it's around 8:40. Not 7:43 at 8. So that's pretty much all I want to show you. Okay, bye.